I know this is like the best day ever. Look at this. We're running a fireworks stand. This is cool. Look at all these fireworks. And it's next to a pet store too. Well, I want to see some pets. Can I see some pets? Ah, why not? Just hurry up. Okay. Here's what the fireworks stand looks like. It's really cool. Oh. Now I want to see if this place was open. Okay. There's all these different kinds of pet toys. It's really cool. Some stuff and some enclosures. Oh my goodness. Okay, that'll make a pretty good ecosystem. Pretty cool. Okay, here's a guinea pig over there. Isn't it? I mean, I can see its body though. Oh, it's red. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to scare you. Just checking you out, that's all. I think one of them's hiding though. Over there. Now that's a hamster. Okay. Okay, look at these pet beds. Squishmallows. And then some collars. Okay, that looks pretty cool. A lot of stuff there are like squishmallow fish. Look at this. It's like for food there. This is so crazy. Oh my gosh. Turtle. This is nice. I bet. I think those are just underwater plants over there and some fish too. What kind of fish are these? I don't know what's in there, but here are some more fish. And more cuties too. Okay, it's a lot of fish. Ooh, this looks pretty cute. Looks like little tiger fish or something. I don't know what they are. Oh, they look cute. I bet one of them's like, I bet one of these fish are like, ooh, can you be my best friend? Some of these fish must have loved me. So cute. I mean, some fish are like that, though. Oh my goodness, some big eyes. This one has. Okay, I see something in there. Ooh, those are beautiful. All these fish, man. Okay, I didn't mean to scare you guys. Taking a look at you guys. More goldfish. Okay. Wow. Okay. So, it's a lot of fish ones. And here are the goldfish. They're kind of golden. Pretty cute. And some pretty cool betta fish. Some beauties right there. Ball python. Okay, I can see him. What's this? Another ball python. Can't see him though. Ooh. A bearded dragon. Okay, those are cute. I love them. What's this? Oh, it's empty. Oh, some tree frogs. But I don't see them. Might be hiding. No. Crested gecko. I don't know if I can see him, but he's hiding somewhere. Oh my goodness. Some other stuff there.